Hey ladies and gents, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a silk press and a trim. Yes, all of my services do come with a shampoo and a deep conditioning and a trim. So if you're interested in getting a silk press with me, I'm located here in Las Vegas and I'm offering this service for only $100. As you can see, my client hair is super long and it's beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer and make sure it's completely dry before I apply any heat. I did also spray her hair with heat protection. So if you're wondering if I use heat protection, yes, I did. I also did a little bit of leave-in conditioner onto my client hair. Now that I blow dried her hair, I'm just going to go ahead and run my fingers through her hair, making sure her hair is completely dry before moving on to the next step, because what I don't want to happen is me burning my client's scalp due to her hair still being wet. Her hair is completely dry and start with the flat iron. I already put her hair all up into a bun, moved it out the way, and I'm just going to grab little strands of hair to make sure this come out bony straight. Okay, that is the goal. While I'm straightening her hair, I'm just going to play some music and speed it up just a tad bit, and I'll check back in with you guys in a few seconds. Also, ladies, the key to having a nice shiny silk press is to make sure you are parting little thin pieces to go through as you are passing through. Do not grab big chunks because your silk press will not do exactly what you want it to do. I find that a lot of people tend to use big parts when doing a flat iron and they wonder why their hair isn't straight enough, especially at the roots. It's because you are grabbing thick chunks of hair. I know some people use their hair clips to part the hair out as they go, but I don't know, I'm just so used to using my comb and getting the more cleaner part when I'm doing this. But eventually, hopefully, I can gradually go into using the clips because it'll make it a lot more easier and more convenient for me. I will be sure to leave the information for these flat irons down below if you guys are interested in purchasing them. They work very, very good, and I believe I got these from LA Swamp Meat, if I'm not mistaken. And I believe they were only like $20 to $40. They work really, really good, and it does the job, okay? I'm going to go ahead and speed the process up, and you guys stay tuned, and I'll be back. Now we are at the top of her head. I am almost done. She requested for a middle part, so I will be sure to make sure I am giving her a bust down middle part like she requests. If you pay close attention to her ends, they do look very ragged, and I'm gonna have to come in and clean those up. Look how beautiful this is coming out. A nice little gloss, nice little shine, and it has a lot of body. So now once I cut the ends off, you guys will see the transformation and see how nice and beautiful it came out. Now I'm explaining to my client how one side of her hair is a little bit longer than the other side. The middle part is a little longer. So I'm trying to communicate with my client, letting her know how much I'm going to be taking off and how much would she like for me to take off. I usually go over this with my client before cutting because I know a lot of people tend to get scared when the stylists have scissors in their hand. Now, after talking to her, we decided to take a 1/2 inch off to make her hair a little bit more even though we did not remove all of the dead ends like I would have liked to. But I'm going to do exactly what my client requested, and maybe in the long run, when she returned, we can cut off a little more. You guys are wondering if I'm finished with the trim. No, I'm not. I'm going to go back in and clean it up and make it blend in with the front pieces of her hair. If you guys are interested in seeing the full ending clip of this hair video, please head over to my Instagram at Beauty of Royalty. Take a look. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe.